Rumi's got a special K-pop Demon Hunters meal. And her own paper doll. Look, Jinu's here too! Let's bring these two together. Truly life-imitating fan art. Oh no! The demons have got Jinu captured! Come on, Rumi! We need to get demon hunting. Then we can save Jinu and act out my fanfics. There's something in the sewer. How do we open it? A sword fish? Well, let's give it a try. Next, let's try this handy-dandy carrot. Is that even a pun? I'm starting to think we should use that big rock. Wait, here in the trash. Now this blade looks familiar. It's Rumi's sword. So who's up for a slice? Look, it's Derpy. Aw, but you're all messy. Don't worry, we can help clean you up. Just hope blue demon tigers aren't dry clean only. Let's clean out those ears. And squeeze in a mani-pedi. Feeling hungry? Let's hope you're in the mood for tuna. Guess Derpy's just a big cat at heart. Which means we need to keep an eye on your plants. Derpy could use a distraction. So here's a ball of yarn to work out those claws. And to say thanks, it's the first key. Next up, Rumi's competing with the Saja Boys. But first, let's see what game we're gonna play. And the scroll reads, a dance battle? Okay then, cue the music and put your skills to the test. Even without Jinu, these demon boys sure can boogie. And it looks like the judges agree. Whose side are you on, Rumi? Well, now it's Mini Rumi's turn. Crank up the volume. But first, she's gonna need some backup. Zoe, Mira, you're on. They could use a little spark. And I'm not just talking about inspiration. Now that's what I call an electric slide. And we've got a winner. Bobby would be so proud. Let's show them what they've won. The next key. You girls earned a little break. Make that a snack break. Got it. Pizza and donuts. Uh-oh, the fridge is empty. Well, let's hit up a convenience store. Let's keep an eye out for some cool snacks. Looks like we've found our little soda pop. And who can say no to some gimbap? We can't forget the ultimate snack, Ramen. Of course, you can't have ramen sans toppings. Like the all-time Zoe fave, a burger. Now let's buck tradition and play with our food. Try to match everybody with their snack. You know this is Mira's. She's got her name on it. And she likes her stuff extra spicy. Here, wait until you try the special ingredient. Uh-oh, it looks like this girl is on fire. Well, that could have gone better. Cue magic tears. Guess crying does fix everything. Okay then, back to the game we go. Looks like Zoe's getting the gimbap. With a side of shrimp sushi too. I don't think that's supposed to do that. Ew, who ordered the bug? Moving on. What's Rumi having for lunch? Ooh, a sandwich cookie. They're so good. You just can't stop at one. Remember, you're in Hunter X, not the chipmunks. So it's important to chew your food. Not that hard. Ooh, you lost a tooth. But you gained something better. A key. And speaking of keys, there's the next one. Wait, this all seems a little too easy. Either way, there's a dress code in here. Well, at least they give you a locker for your stuff. And they don't make you share it like in school. Well, it's time to hit the jacuzzi. You see the hand, right? Either way, grab your snorkel and dive on in. Uh-oh, there's demons in the water. Well, it's nothing our mallet can't fix. Never know what could be lurking beneath the bubbles. Honestly, this place could use a filter or something. Maybe we'll have better luck with whatever's in here. There's something behind this demon. It's the rainbow key! Great! Now let's get out of here. Hold on, Jinu! We've almost got you out! The sewer? Don't have to ask me twice. Let's jump in! Sussy's in a cage. Think we can spring him? Like most things in life, the solution is connections. We're gonna need some special tools. Take your hammer and let's see what we got. A piece of hard candy? Well, I'm not complaining. Next up, string. Well, at least we're getting closer. Aha! Pipe cleaners! Now that's what we need! The best part is that they're already color-coded. Now pull that lever and Sussy is a free bird. And it turns out that the string is handy too. Hold on! Hey, it's the Saja Boys. They might look cute, but true beauty is really on the inside. Especially when that true beauty shows up in photos. Well, Rumi, it's time to put those K-pop demon hunting skills to work. Sorry, Saja Boys. Weema can't save you now. Though you're kind of better off without him. And look, you've won a key! Let's save Jinu! Almost done. Just gotta remove these chains. Now you're as golden as Han Moon. Finally a happy ending. But do you think we'll get a sequel? Uh-oh, Shin Sonic doesn't look too good. I like ribs, but save some for Sonic. Looks like someone needs a new heart. But you're in good hands with Dr. Amy. Besides, we've got just the cure for broken hearts. Our special Shin Sonic game book. Let's start by getting things cooking. Well, someone's sure sharing their smile today. A treasure chest. Shame we don't have the key. That's okay. Give Sonic a trim in his mouth. He's got a lot stuck in his teeth. Like the key. Cut it out. Oh, I hope it fits. It does! Look at the treasure. It's just what we need. Oh, Young Hee, what big hands you've got. Looks like the Squid Game's about to start. Come on, racers, to your mark. Let's start the countdown. And let's go! Hey, I saw that, Eggman. Get up, Amy. Just remember one important rule. Cheaters never prosper. Well, he's out of the race. It's anyone's game now. Oh, well, I guess sometimes you just have a bad day. Come on, Amy. Here's your big chance. I mean, sure, you already win by default. Aw, Amy's such a gem. And speaking of gems, looks like this time the gem comes to us. Ooh, guess I spoke too soon. Hey, where'd it go? Careful, Sonic. It's rock candy, minus the candy. Well, it looks like we have to play a game to get it. We landed on teeth. Talk about compacted. Now we've got the teeth. Careful, he bites. It's okay. I think he's just hungry. Ramen to the rescue. Wow, it's the kind that comes with a fork. And look, dried vegetables. Wow, now that's classy. Of course, the pièce de résistance, the seasoning. Add water, unless you like it crunchy. Oh, looks so good. Come on, Sonic, want a bite? See, now isn't that better than gems? Ooh, a balloon game. Add a punch to liven things up. Come on now, third time's the charm. Of course, a balloon's gotta pop. Just look at all the fun things inside. And look, there's even a minifig. Let's put on a new face. Plus some arms. Your coworkers wouldn't recognize you. Okay then, thanks for all the slime. But let's clean you off. Much better. Ooh, guess cleanup comes with a tip. Ooh, Eggman's got eggs. Seems pretty on brand. Guess Sonic wants to help. Let's get cracking. Cool. This one's got slime inside. I wonder what's in here. A new Sonic head. Sure you don't want to try it on? Oh, hey, this one's got blocks and more slime. Aw, Eggman, this one's got your everything. Oh, if it isn't our favorite echidna. Granted, I don't know too many echidnas. We really gotta dig deep for this prize. Ooh, talk about a diamond in the rough. Are you sure it's real? Better test it out. Even better, it's just the gem we need. The Sonic players are putting on a show. It's time to put on makeup. It's time to light the lights. Guess Eggman didn't pass the audition. Wow, an actor's life is not for me. But just watch what a little pressure can do. Ooh, how are we gonna get it out? Sorry, Sonic, you might feel a slight pinch. Let's gather around the table. Plate. Thirsty? We've got delicious, nutritious water! Combine your colors! Reach for the stars! Ooh, let's take some rainbow for ourselves. I think our friend Sponge Amy's feeling parched. See? A little color sure livened her up. And she's not the only sponge around here. Wow! Sonic really pops off the page! Sponge! A gem! I think there's something special about this one. Oh, don't you just love being right? With all the gems combined, we've got a heart! And we know who needs this most of all. Probably should put back that rib cage. Now seal him up. I think someone's feeling a lot better. Come on, open your eyes. Careful, I think he wants breakfast.